time, sometimes remembering their mother in the Elaine Walcott. But one mother was there because my cousin firstly married and came here. Married and came here, and his that wife, there is these two children, like his son. After a few days, he forgotten the Barbadian. Yeah.
Okay. So you had a second wife in India. First wife.
And he said to the brother Sabi, Anthony said that my second mother never give me the chance that I can remember any other. So love he gave me. So love he gave me.
So Anthony would have been Hanif. And when I spoke to him and I asked him, did you miss your mom? Of course, few tears came out of his eyes. And he said, yeah, of course I did. And he said, but my mother, the one from India, she loved us and treated us like our mother in Barbados. And so that they have had no chance or it wasn't so because of the treatment, they didn't miss their mother. Of course they did, but that treatment was such, it is as if of their own paternal mother that they, so that love, that was there for them. And so Anthony Hanif became an entrepreneur. And then the other one, Mustafa, he had a degree, Bachelor of Arts, and he became a teacher. Hanif died at the age of 80, and Mustafa at the age of about 45.
And Hanif Anthony, he tried to came here on 2017 with me, but we lost to get, this time the Barbadian visas was running, and from here my relatives sent us the visas. We have applied to the England government for our transit visa, but they replied the visa is not coming proper way. They decided to give us the transit visa, and thus we have lost to come in 1917. Then we tried to in 2020, 1917, Then we tried to come 2020, but the pandemic was, in America at first, England, then India was attacked. So we lost to come here, and my nephew Hanif, that means Anthony, he died in 2021. Yeah.